Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Auto Cars. The 2025 Lincoln Navigator represents the pinnacle of luxury in the full-size SUV segment, combining sophisticated design with advanced technology and robust performance. Exterior design. The Navigator's commanding presence is accentuated by a redesigned front grille and sleek LED headlamps, giving it a modern yet timeless appeal. Its substantial dimensions 210 inches in length, 94.6 inches in width with mirrors open, and 78 inches in height underscore its road dominance. For those seeking additional cargo space, the Navigator L variant extends the length to 221.9 inches. Interior comfort and luxury. Inside, the Navigator offers a sanctuary of comfort. The cabin is adorned with premium materials, and the Black Label edition provides exclusive interior themes for a personalized touch. The front seats are 24-way power adjustable, with the Black Label model offering 30-way adjustments, ensuring optimal comfort. Both front and available second-row captain's chairs come equipped with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Innovative features. Lincoln has introduced several wellness-focused features in the 2025 Navigator. The Rejuvenate setting harmonizes seat positioning, climate control, ambient lighting, and immersive visuals to create a serene environment. Additionally, programmable cabin sense and a complimentary one-year subscription to the Calm Meditation app enhance the overall sense of well-being during journeys. Advanced technology. A standout feature is the expansive 4-foot-wide digital display spanning the dashboard, providing intuitive access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The Navigator also includes Lincoln's Blue Cruise hands-free highway driving system, offering drivers enhanced convenience on long trips. This system is complimentary for the first 4 years, with subscription options available thereafter. Performance. Under the hood, the Navigator is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.5 LV6 engine, delivering 440 horsepower and 5 10-pound-foot of torque. Paired with a 10-speed select-shift registered automatic transmission, the SUV ensures a smooth and responsive driving experience. The inclusion of Lincoln Drive modes allows drivers to tailor the vehicle's performance to various driving conditions and personal preferences. Safety. Safety remains paramount with the integration of Lincoln Copilot 360 Trademark 2.0, a suite of driver assist technologies. Features such as intersection assist and intelligent adaptive cruise control enhance driver awareness and contribute to a safer driving experience. Conclusion. The 2025 Lincoln Navigator seamlessly blends luxury, technology, and performance, setting a new standard in the luxury SUV market. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on long-distance travel, the Navigator ensures that occupants do so in unparalleled comfort and style. For a visual overview and more insights into the 2025 Lincoln Navigator, you might find the following video informative.